the beautiful view of the Sonasar Lake here in the Greater Himalayas en route Shishnag Lake from Georgipal. We have taken just towards the eastern direction, and we have taken on the further track towards this high elevation, altitude alpine lake situated at an altitude of around 4,000 feet above the sea level. So this is the celebration. We have already reached three guys of the Joggers Club, Kina Shakil, Shaukat Kashmiri, and me, Jan Ulfat, and our more guys are following us. They are just following little behind us. This is a huge lake, so it is really elixir and great panacea to the eyes to get this spectacular view of this beautiful lake in the lap of these mountains. So these peaks you can see, this is the Sonasar Pass. If we cross it through those passes, we can reach another Sonasar lake that's called the Chota Sonasar, and this is the passway to Kishtwar range, Madhya Ward 1 also. That's a 2-day trek from here onwards, but it is a pass towards the Kishtwar range, Madhya Ward 1 also. So I'm spanning and showing you the span of this lake, how huge it is. It's a vast lake spread across 1 kilometer in length and half a kilometer, so 300 meters in width. Such a huge lake. Coach Shakil is performing ablution to get ready for the prayer. Zohar prayer will be offering just a little after. We are just waiting for our fellow guys here. I can zoom in, showing you there at the top. They got the first glimpse. They have reached it, but just little more time for them to reach us. If you can see, I'm trying to pan the camera, zoom in, show you their visuals, and little moment of time they will be here joining us. Giving you the glimpse of Coach Shakil calling for the prayer, Azan. It's a Zohar Azan, Zohar prayer he's calling for. At the banks of this Sonasar Lake. This is such a cherishing and wonderful moment, emotional moment though. Our more guys are just descending now. They have just reached Nasir Tak. We have Zandari Javed. We have Vaid Kaur and Parvez Sajad. They have finally made it. Just made it to the lake. So this is the summit achieved for them also to reach the lake. Wonderful, joyous celebrations for them also. Here you can see Nasir Tak. So these are the celebrations. Final celebration is here after reaching at the Sonasar Lake. All the guys have finally made it. Nasir Tak, Gawhar Vaid, Shaukat Kashmiri. Coach Shakil has removed his shirt and waving his shirt in the celebration. Such a great celebration happening here at the summit achieved here at the Sonasar. And we have Parvez Sajad just descending the final gradient to reach up to the lake. is showing the victory sign. Finally made it to the lake. So this is the final moment. All of the members, Alhamdulillah, they have reached the lake safe and sound. Nasir Tak, Parvez Sajad, we have Ved Gauhar, and Coach Shakil, Zandari Javed, Shaukat Kashmiri, and me, John Ulfat, finally made it to this summit. This is the celebration for the summit achieved here at the Sonasar at an altitude of 4,000 feet above the sea level. And on this wonderful day, 8th day of September 2024, the Joggers Club has achieved another feat by making it to this Sansar Lake today. So thank you guys.